Hello Internet, welcome to Flex Universe. So we are in Puerto Natales in Chile. It's raining a little bit, not a little bit, quite a lot. And yeah, it doesn't matter. In this video we will explore Santiago and let me catch my bus to the airport. See you then. So now instead of taking a taxi or Uber for $25, but the bus ticket for $2, and it's actually right next to my accommodation. So that's kind of cool. See, there are two stations, Los Héroes, which is mine, and Terminal Sur. There are also some stops on the way. So I got this little apartment with a kitchen, some living quarters, and this, I suppose, is the bedroom. So it's with the lights on, and here we got toilet and shower. Now let's explore Santiago. Well, while Santiago is quite a big city, the historical part, the historical city, the city center is actually quite small and easily walkable on foot. So that's what we're gonna do. And there seems to be a bike sharing service. It's always good. Makes the city more livable. We're at the Plaza of Constitution, and what you could see behind me if my head wasn't so gigantic is the Palace de la Moneda, which is the official seat of the Chilean president. It was badly damaged during the coup d'etat of Antonio Pinochet, but rebuilt shortly after. Well, if there were any real tourist center of Santiago, it must be this, Plaza de Armas. And here we'll find here a lot of souvenirs and There is the most famous church in Santiago. It's generally quite a nice area, just a lot of homeless people here. But, well, where else do they live, right? There seem to be quite a lot of monumental churches in the city. So, yeah. So what my goal right now is to find a postcard, which is difficult for two reasons. One, well, it's Sunday and everything is closed. And second, I think they don't sell them here. And now our goal is to go up the hill. It's called the Santa Lucia Hill, and there should be some nice views and also some nice architecture. Well, entrance is for free. You just have to sign the visitor book, and then you're probably free to go around. Okay, let's see. Oh, that sucks. I wanted to go there. So I guess I will have to find another viewpoint. But first, let's check out the Neptune fountain. Well, the bad thing is my right ankle hurts a bit, so it's difficult to walk, but I will manage it for you. But I think it's time we start walking up. The bad visibility is not a little bit better because over there you can see the Andes Mountains. We made it to the top. This may actually be my favorite church here, and I haven't seen it on any guide, so and now let's have an empanada for lunch. Well, that's pretty much the end of my Chile series. Hope you enjoyed it. It was really cool. So many diverse places I have seen. Amazing. But now I have to fly back to Toronto and to Frankfurt and back to Prague, and well, that's where I'll say goodbye to. But don't be sad because there are more videos coming, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you see this video, and if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, check out my other social media, and I'll see you next time.